4:48 in the morning. Thanks for watching my video. This is Victor from Vic's Custom Rods. We finished the black and white and red rod. Here it is in the shop, rotating. It's got its clear coat on it, right over the top of Formula D. There's my famous yellow rollers. And as you can see, I got a whole bunch of these rods drying. 6 XHs and triple XHs, Calstar 700s. And then this is a 36 to 80 6'6". That's the one we did tonight, yesterday evening. That's the finished product. And we single coated this rod, heavy coat. As you can see, there's some excess stripped in the tray. When we do that, what we do is we put on a light coat, tuck it, go back over the guide later with a heavier coat over the threads that hold the guide down, and then we flatten it, and we use a sable or ox hair brush to flatten it. And the brush really makes a difference. My company's been doing single coat on saltwater stuff for a long time, and we have very good success with it. And a lot of people say you can't do it that way, but this is living proof right here. Same with all these rods right here. These are all single coated rods. That's for the final epoxy. We use the Formula D all the way through. These are triple wrapped up top, and instead of using 2-part epoxy, what we use is Formula D, and it works great. Anyway, I'm going to go home and get some sleep. This rod will be dry about 10 o'clock today. Shop's up to 85 degrees right now, so I will film this thing in the morning when I get up. Have a good morning. If you need to reach me, my name is Victor, owner of Vic's Custom Rods and Formula D. My number is 707-430-3941. Thank you. Have a good morning. Bye.